In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Y-Intercept equal to 0 on Google Sheets. Need your trend line to start exactly at 0? Google Sheets doesn't have a set intercept button, but there's a quick formula trick that makes it happen and keeps your chart mathematically accurate. First, make sure your data is laid out with your X values in one column and your Y values in another. Avoid including headers or blank cells in the ranges you're about to select. Now, click into an empty cell where you want the calculation to go. Type Y-Intercept, then select your the Y value range, add a comma, select your X value range, add another comma, and type 0. It should look something like Y-Intercept, Y range, X range, O. That final 0 is the key. It tells Google Sheets to force the intercept to 0 and only calculate the slope of the line through the origin. Press Enter and you'll see a single number appear. That's your custom slope. Because we explicitly told Linus to fix the intercept at 0, this slope represents the best fit line that goes through the point 0, 0. If you need to use that value in more cells, you can reference it directly or give the cell a name for clarity. To visualize this on your chart, create a new column that computes the model's predicted Y values. In the first row of that new column, multiply the slope you just calculated by the corresponding X value. For example, type EI slope/cell, XXL. Lock the slope cell with $signs so it doesn't move when you copy the formula down the column. Fill the formula down to cover all your rows. This column now represents the 0 intercept trendline values at each X. If you already have a scatter plot, select the chart, open the chart editor, and add this new column as another series. Set the X-axis to your original X values and the series to the predicted Y column you just created. You'll see a clean line appear that starts exactly at 0 and follows the best fit path determined by your data. If you prefer a smooth line, switch the series to a line style in the chart settings. If you want to emphasize the fit against your raw data, keep the original scatter points visible. That's it. No manual adjustments, no eyeballing, just a precise, reproducible, 0 intercept trend line driven by your data. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.